Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a signature in Odoo Invoicing. This process is useful if you want an internal authorized signatory, meaning your company's signature appears on invoices. This can make your invoices look more official, more professional, and easier for customers to recognize as approved by your business. We'll first add the digital signature to the correct user profile, and then we'll enable the invoice setting that tells Odoo to display that signature on customer invoices. So, there are basically two parts to this setup. First, saving the signature on the user account, and second, telling Odoo when and where to show that signature on the invoice. Start from the Odoo home screen and click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings area, go to Users and Companies, and then click on Users. Here, you'll see the list of users in your Odoo system. This is where Odoo stores user details, access rights, preferences, and other profile-related settings. Select the user whose signature should appear on the invoice. This is important because the signature displayed on the final document will come from that user profile. For example, if your finance manager, sales manager, or company owner is the authorized signatory, you should open that specific user's profile before adding the signature. After opening the user, click on Preferences. In this section, look for the digital signature field. Here, you can enter the signature in one of several ways. You can draw the signature directly on screen, use the auto option to generate one from the user's name, or load an image file of a physical signature. This gives you flexibility depending on how formal or simple you want the invoice signature to look. Choose whichever option best matches your workflow. If you want the most polished result on printed invoices, using a clean uploaded image can often look more professional, but the built-in draw option is quick and convenient. A good tip here is to use a clear signature image with a plain background so it appears neat on the final invoice and does not look blurry or messy. Once the signature has been added, click Save. That stores the signature on the user record, so Odoo can use it later on invoice documents. If you forget to save at this step, the signature may not be available when you try to apply it in the invoice settings. Next, click on Settings again to return toward the main area, and then open Accounting. Inside Accounting, click on Configuration, and then select Settings. This is where you control how invoices are generated and displayed. You can think of this area as the main control panel for your invoice layout, invoice features, payment settings, taxes, and customer invoice options. Now, scroll down until you reach the Customer Invoices section. In that section, look for the Authorized Signature option and enable it. You'll also be able to select the authorized user, or you can leave it set to use the default salesperson. This option is helpful if you want Odoo to automatically show the right signature without manually editing each invoice. The setting determines whose saved digital signature will actually appear on the invoice, so make sure it matches the user profile you updated earlier. For example, if you uploaded the signature under the finance manager's user profile, then you should select that same finance manager here. Otherwise, Odoo may not show the signature you expected. After enabling the option and confirming the correct user, click Save again. That final save applies the invoicing configuration. This is an important step because changes inside accounting settings usually do not apply until you save them properly. At this point, the setup is complete. When you print or preview an invoice, the signature should now appear at the bottom of the document. This gives your invoice a more complete and approved look, especially when sending invoices to clients, vendors, or business customers who expect formal documentation. If it doesn't show up right away, double-check that the selected user has a saved digital signature and that the authorized signature setting is turned on in accounting. You can also refresh the invoice preview, check that you're using the correct invoice template, and make sure you save both the user profile and the accounting settings. And that's how to add a signature in Odoo Invoicing. Once this is set up, you don't have to add the signature manually each time, because Odoo can automatically include it on your customer invoices based on the settings you selected.